What we're going to do is figure out how the park assist feature works. So very, very straightforward. Just down here, as you can see, we've got that little P button. So we're going to press that button, then as you can see, so we can do either parallel parking, perpendicular parking, or parallel out. So what we're going to do is actually just try out the perpendicular parking. So it can look on either the left or the right side, whether it's parallel or perpendicular parking. Just make sure that you've got your turn signal going there, and it's going to figure out whether we're looking at the left or the right side. So we're going to look for a spot on the left side, so we're just going to drive forward and we're going to follow the directions on the screen. Okay, so it's found a spot. So we're going to drive forward, stop. Now you're going to shift into neutral and follow the directions. So we're going to release the brake and we're going to hold the park button. So the park button we're going to hold is this one. So you're going to take your foot off the brake and you're going to hold that button. This is amazing. And I love how there's a little countdown counter here, essentially letting us know how long the next step is going to take. Okay, it's interesting you're deciding to pull forward there, fella. Technology doing its thing. Look at this, I'm completely hands-free right now. I guess I've got a finger going. I've got one finger that's being used right now and the vehicle's parking for me. Like my foot's completely off the brake right now, it's off the gas. This thing is backing up and it's doing it for me. I love it, love it. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, now here's one thing to note. Could you have parked faster? Absolutely. Now, having said that, if you're, if you're not 100% on the idea of parking, you'd prefer a vehicle to do it for you, you've got the capabilities to let it do it for you. But as you can see there, it didn't take too long. It wasn't too shabby. Oh, that's really, really cool. And we're done. Oh, that's so cool. All right, so as you can see, very straightforward there. Parallel perpendicular parking. This vehicle can help you out. So really, really nice that it does that. So you don't even have to worry about what gear you're in, and it automatically put me in park. How cool is that?